The Isabella shade is a really lightweight canopy, quick and simple to set up in just minutes, and equally really quick and simple to take down. So if the weather does turn or when you're packing away, nice and simple to take down. So I'm just going to quickly show you how you would do it. So what you've got is the carbon fibre legs and one cross pole here. When taking the canopy down, I'll take the framework out first. And then unpeg the canopy. And with the shade you get two bags. Nice and compact. So you'd have one bag for the framework and the carbon fibre frame. It all reduces down with a telescopic coupling, and then you've got the join here which are elasticated, so that all folds down. Like you say, just the three poles. Put those away. You would also put your pegs into that bag as well. Then slide out the canopy, out of your rail and the camper van. And we will always fold onto the roof. Lay it all flat. Fold it over to the size of the bag. And we will always fold where you've got the beading, so where the beading goes into the rail. Start at that point there. Slide that into the bag. As you can see, it's a decent sized bag for the canopy. And there you have a compact, lightweight canopy straight into your camper van. Quick and simple to set up and take down.